Welcome back to my channel. Chivin here as always. How are you all doing? I know you are doing great. Today we are doing my mind. I will show you one of the methods of making delicious and tasty my. Please, if this is the first time coming across this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Like, don't forget to like, turn on the notification bell. Okay, thank you. First, to make sure the amount of beans you want to use, you soak it for a minute or two to wash, or use a blender to do the breaking, and then you wash your beans. After that, you put it back in the blender and add your ingredients, what you would like to blend. You blend it together. For example, your crayfish, fresh pepper, red bell pepper if you want, onions. Sometimes I like to blend my seasoning cubes all together so that I don't find a lump here or there. After that, you add in a bowl, add the stock, your mixed meat stock if you want. After that, you can go ahead and prepare your cooked egg and slice them according to your desired shape. After getting everything ready, you are going to be sure that your water is already at the boiling point. Then you mix again and tie in a nylon, or you can use a container of your choice to prepare your moi. I'll be doing mine in a rubber bag as displayed on the screen. So guys, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share for more videos. Trust me guys, when you are done with this method, you are going to enjoy your moi, and you are going to ask me for more recipes. So keep watching guys. Once you have tied, you wait for water to boil. Once it has boiled, you put it in the pot and allow it to cook, and you check on it from time to time until you find out that it's already cooking. Once your moi is ready, you can enjoy it with anything of your choice. Any beverage of your choice, hot chocolate, custard. You can use it for breakfast, lunch or dinner. I prefer lunch. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned one or two. Please like and subscribe to my channel, comment and share. Thank you for watching. I'll be leaving you guys at this point to complete the videos. Ciao. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.
Say